One of the things we learn in geometry is some basic probability, and we teach it in geometry to help you prepare for the pre-SAT. So in this video, we're going to talk about sample space. And a sample space is just the group of all possible outcomes of an experiment or the set of all answers to a question. So here in this example, the question is, if I spin each one of these spinners one time, what are all the possible outcomes that could come from doing that experiment? And they've started a list here. You could get 1, 1, 1, and that's represented here. You could get 1, 1, 2, and that's represented here, and so on and so forth. And our job will be to complete the list. So they've stopped off at 1, 2, 1. So let's say 1 on the first spinner, 2 on the second spinner, 2 on the third spinner, 1 on the first spinner, 2 on the second spinner, and 3 on the third spinner. And now we've got to go to 2 on the first spinner, 1 on the second spinner, 1 on the third spinner, 2 on the first, 2 on the second, 1 on the third, and then let's see, 2. And you have to get creative and do it in an order that's going to make it easier for you to keep track of, because each event can only occur once in the sample space. So I'm going to slightly change. Okay, that was strange. I'm going to slightly change the order I did that. We could go 2, 1, 1. We could go 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. And then we could go 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, and 2, 2, 3. So that's the entire range of possibilities. All these 4 and these 8 that I added on. So all 12 of those possible combinations makes up the entire sample space for this particular problem.